all, you guys need to remember that deep down inside, you guys have each other and your family. So I wanted to toast to David's family and our family, Bill's side, for us being one today. One family. Thank you.
You're the best man.
Best man.
Vamos.
It's okay.
Alright.
You're the best man.
Almost is right here.
Wait. Is he getting up?
Over here.
Let's go, Amos.
Over here so we can hear you.
Can't hear you, man. Yeah. I was like, oh my God.
Take everybody coming down. Leo and David. Everybody look at this now. Nah, but yeah, I'm gonna take everybody coming.
Yay! Okay. Oh no, she's recording. Hello! And I want to thank my sister.
Paul would go get a bread and toast
Right, say goodbye.
Some tears from my son-in-law, David.
And it does tears.
Last year before Christmas, David came in my house. Last weekend, I take your daughter out. The only thing I tell him, David, you can take my daughter out. Take like your own sister. And keep going and keep going, keep going. Still come in my house. There's so many things he done it to me. It's put in my face every time. It's not the good thing, it's bad things he put to me. But I still swallowing like a father. Inside my gut. Well, I got 3 doors. All these doors, they got holes in them. When he's drunken every night, he cuts it out. And the whole weekend came in the morning. Bend it out. Another day, same thing. Right now, David is my son-in-law. And he was going to stay with me. He's told me, Mac, I'll take care of you. I said, David, I'm too old right now. And you can take care of him. Wherever I go, you take care of him. I love David just like a person coming my stomach. Excuse me my language. But that's what I feel for him. Sometimes in the night he comes sleep with me in my house and I look at him sleeping on the couch. Sometimes no sheet, no blanket and covering up. And he say thank you. I told David, I know you love my daughter. You take care of her. You're the boss of our house. Whatever you do, we agree to do that too. So that's a tear from David. It's my son-in-law.